We are starting with what is known as Ankit will try to have it on a normal class tak, matlab, let's say 40 minutes more. Yes, somebody else was saying something, I forgot in the middle. Is there any change in program if we hide lines? No. You mean to say if you're writing in Notepad plus plus and then you hide it, then no. If you hide the lines, then there is no change in the program. It's simply that your program will appear short, but that won't cause any difference. Okay. ठीक है, I'll try to leave you around 35-40 minutes more. Let's check. Can we leave two lines between two statements? Yes, you can leave 200 lines between two statements. There is no such restriction. But should you? वो बात है. No, I mean you can. And at times when we'll be learning functions, it will be desirable to leave two lines so that it may appear separately. But yes, there is no restrictions in how many lines you can put. You can leave between two statements. Okay. Right. चलो तो फिर start करते हैं. We'll start this. This is a very important topic. ये समझ गए तो string से you will be playing like anything. Okay. Okay. First of all, what is ASCII या ASCII जो भी pronounce करोगे तुम लोग कर सकते हो. So what is that? This stands for.
Sir, are you sharing the screen?
Oh, I'm not. Sorry. Okay. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. I hope I've started the recording as well. Yeah, correct. American
Yes, sir.
Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay. First, let us understand what is ASCII. तो इसमें क्या है? This is a series of code. ठीक है? This is a tabular series of codes. But now the question will be, what are these codes? Okay. So the question is, what are these codes and why do we need it? Okay. And why do we need these codes? देखो, first understand. Now maybe it will be initially a bit strange to hear or understand, but don't try to apply any logic in what I am saying. Just think कि it is like that. It is that way and it will happen. ठीक है, और वैसा है और वैसा ही होगा और होता रहा है. ठीक है, just take it as a fact. Don't try to apply logic in it. See, what happens is when you use your computer and you press anything, this is a computer. Okay, you provide input to it. Input is provided using what? Input devices.
Input
Like
device.
main input device is keyboard, one of the
Sir,
important ones.
Unicode is another name for ASCII, sir.
No, I'll come to that. Wait. Okay. सो इनपुट जो कंप्यूटर में देते हो वो कीबोर्ड से देते हैं. वी गिव इनपुट टू द कंप्यूटर्स यूजिंग कीबोर्ड्स, राइट? नाउ when you press A on computer, let's say you write apple. For example, input में तुमने एक string लिखा apple, or you write APPLE. You pressed these keys one by one on your keyboard. Then only this sequence will go. First you will press this, then you will press this key, then you will press this key, then this, and then this. Right? So when you press A on computer, okay, computer does not understand A. Okay, so first get the fact that computer does not understand A. Computer does not understand B. For humans, it is these are characters of alphabet, English alphabet. But for computer, that doesn't mean anything. A is just nothing for computer. So how does pressing A result in A getting perceived in the computer, and then how does computer treat it internally? Okay. So what happens the moment you press A on the computer, a signal goes to the CPU, and that signal tells computer, if you have pressed capital A, okay, shift or A दबाए हो तो, then the signal that goes to the computer tells the computer 65. Okay, computer को बस वो signal जो मिलता है, that signal computer sees it as 65. It is always 65. If you press B press करोगे तो the computer does not see it as B. Computer sees it as 66. The moment computer sees the electronic signal 65 or electronic signal in the form which translates to 66, so it understands that key, this is what user intends to say, this shape. If computer sees 66 as an electronic signal, computer understands key user intends to draw this signal, so this symbol. User means this symbol. It doesn't know that this symbol is called B, but it knows that when I get a signal 66, I have to draw something like this. I have to draw something like this when I get a signal 65. ठीक है, कैपिटल C होगा तो उसमें जो सिग्नल मिलेगा that will be 67, right? So all the characters that can be generated on the computer, all the character set that Python supports or any other programming language supports, okay, they will understand your characters in the form of electronic signals which will be having a code. ठीक है? So all the characters,
Sir,
huh.
sir, does lowercase letters have different signal numbers?
Yeah, yes, I'll come to that.
Okay.
All characters in any programming language is represented in computer in specific codes, specific codes, okay, in specific codes, which are integers, of course. The list of codes, the list of codes which mentions the list of codes which mentions all characters and special symbols, all characters of English language
Sir, this is the answer to that question, sir.
Yeah, अभी मैं समझा दूंगा. Just hear me out. The list of codes which mentions all the characters of English language, including special characters like @ pond, dollar, hash, language, including white spaces and special characters. What are white spaces? Blank space,
Blank space.
tab space, ठीक है. एंटर वो सब जो तुम्हारा आता है ना, नॉट इंटर एग्जैक्टली बट हाँ बोल सकते हो. वाइट स्पेसेस, ओके, सो इंक्लूडिंग वाइट स्पेसेस एंड स्पेशल कैरेक्टर्स. ये जो लिस्ट ऑफ कोड होता है ना, स्पेशल कैरेक्टर्स is known as ASCII chart. And who has designed this chart? Which computer understands that way? That was designed by this organization. ठीक है, जो और एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन था, अमेरिकन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, तो दे केम अप विद अमेरिकन स्टैंडर्ड कोड फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन इंटरचेंज. So when you are exchanging any information using computers which deals with the characters of English alphabet and other special symbols which you can see, all the symbols that you can see on the computer, any button that you press, computer will perceive it or computer will see it or understand it in the form of one of the numbers mentioned in this chart. ठीक है? So you don't have to remember all the codes for all the thing, but you have to remember codes for certain things. For example, capital A to capital Z, they are represented by starting from 65. जब A press करते हैं तो electronic signal generates which translates inside the computer to 65. तो कंप्यूटर को जैसे ही as soon as computer receives the signal and translates the signal as 65, it understands that it has to deal with this symbol. It does not know that it is called A, but it understands that it has to deal with this symbol. The moment you press B, an electronic signal is sent as an input to the CPU of the computer, which translates to 66, the meaning of which is defined in this ASCII chart. Okay, and that the moment the computer sees this electronic signal as 66, this chart, it has the understanding of this chart and it understands that it has to deal with this symbol. Okay, so capital A to capital Z is represented by 65 to 90. Starting from 65, B is 66, C is 67. इस तरह करते हुए Z is 90. ठीक है, you will देखोगे these are also 26 characters or 26 numbers and they are also 26. Small a to small
Sir.
Z. Yeah.
Why specifically the number 65 and not any other number? Like,
Because
is there
they
any
decided to do so. जब वो बना रहे थे तो उन्होंने ऐसे ही डिसाइड किया.
Okay.
Okay, it's just a matter of fact and history. मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि इसमें लॉजिक मत लगाओ, just understand the fact. ठीक है? क्या पता केविन अगर होता उस समय 10 years पहले और 20 years 30 years पहले जो कंप्यूटर बन रहा था, तो for taking the input and understanding by the computer he might have chosen something else. 1 to 26 ले लेता हूँ. Okay. Then
Maybe the creator's favorite number.
हाँ
Maybe the creator's favorite number.
हाँ maybe उसको 65 अच्छा लगता था तो बोला कि we'll start with capital A from 65. Small a to small z is represented from 97 to 122. Okay. Digits 0 to 9 are represented from 48 to 57. Okay. Now, can we ask the computer? क्या हम कंप्यूटर से पूछ सकते हैं कि hey computer, how are you seeing the character A? Can it tell us कि yes, I see it as 65? Yes, we can. Okay. देखो. So I'll write in the next page.
So could
Can
you
we ask a computer? How do you perceive or see capital A?
Sir, can you go to the previous page? Some messages are also there, sir, in chat.
Okay, okay. ऐप में कुछ
So
प्रॉब्लम
should we
होता है.
remember the numbers order?
Yeah, or for this A to Z, small a to Z, and 0 to 9. So does computer knows the number? Yes, of course. All the computers, mostly in this world, have the pre-built understanding of this thing. It comes maybe as a part of your operating system as well. Operating system में ही कुछ sort of encoding होता है उस पर. Okay. How will the CPU know what is A, sir? That is what I'm telling you, Ankit. Okay. Yes, Ullas, that is from Hello, correct. Yes, तो कंप्यूटर के अंदर में when the people are writing operating systems and they are programming the circuitry, so they will embed this logic so that they will take the input and understand the input in this way. ठीक है? So all the computers understand this, and I will show you. We can ask computers, hey computer, tell me how do you see A? Okay.
So what is in between means 90 to 97?
What is between?
90 to 97.
मैं तुम्हें सारा दिखाऊंगा. डोंट वरी अंकित, मैं तुम्हें आई विल शो यू विद द एंटायर चार्ट. पहले मैं ये दिखाना चाहता हूँ. फर्स्ट आई वांट टू शो यू कि हाउ कैन वी आस्क द कंप्यूटर हाउ डू यू परसीव दिस कैपिटल ए. कंप्यूटर विल रिप्लाई एज 65. देखो, फॉर दैट
type function?
नहीं, टाइप नहीं यूज करते. टाइप टू टेल्स यू डेटा टाइप. ओके, डेटा टाइप ऑफ अ वेरिएबल. आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग अबाउट अ कैरेक्टर. मैं तो वेरिएबल बनाऊंगा ही नहीं. ओके, so see, yes.
Sir, had a doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, when we give a letter, it will tell its number, no sir. So how does it know the number?
When
Sir, like for example, uppercase A, it will tell it's 65. So how does it know the number 65? For number 65 also there is like.
देखो वो जो नंबर है ना, नहीं, for number 65 it will see number 65 as 6 and 5. If you write number
Sir, but 6 and 5 also have their codes.
No, it will see it as two different characters, 6 and 5. If you give input as 65, but that देखो electronic signals ना zeros and ones के form में represent होता है computer को. Okay, so 65 will go something like मैं binary translation पढ़ाऊंगा तुम्हें. That electronic signal that goes now, that is translated as 65 to computers in binary, zeros and ones के sequence में. It will see absence of a voltage, presence. One means presence of a voltage and zero means absence of a voltage. तो वो 0 1 का जो sequence होगा ना, फिर यहाँ फिर ऐसे करके उसे वो समझ जाएगा कि ये 0 1 बाइनरी में. इट विल टेक इट एज 65. इट विल अंडरस्टैंड. ठीक है, बस अभी ये मत समझो कि हाउ इट विल टेक 65. इट डजंट टेक अंडरस्टैंड 65. इट अंडरस्टैंड 6 and 5. ठीक है, देन योर CPU विल
Understood, sir.
हाँ, तो that signal is treated as 65. How signal is treated as 65? Let's say 65 को अगर तुम्हें change करना है binary में, तो I can tell you how it will be done. 32 1 2 16. I will teach you this. तुम्हारा 0 2 8 4 0 2 2 0 2 1 2 0 2. Yeah, it will be something like or it will be like 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 3 4 5 and 1. कंप्यूटर उसको ऐसा देखेगा, हाई सिग्नल.
Sir, what about that last zero?
Absence of signals and finally high signal. ऐसा ठीक है? So computer, the moment it sees it like this form na, in the form of electronic signals, high signal means
It will
1
get to
and
know it's 65.
हाँ, it will see कि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिग्नल इस फॉर्म में आ रहा है, तो हाई मीन्स 1 बाइनरी में एंड लो मीन्स 0, तो 0 0 0 0 ऐसे करके देखेगा तो समझ जाएगा कि यूजर वांट्स टू डील विद दिस.
Sir, what
And
about
this
the last
signal is treated as 65. बाइनरी में जब इसका रिप्रेजेंट करोगे ना डेसिमल में, तो 65 आ जाता है ये. या
last one, sir, last zero?
सॉरी, के ये क्या पूछ रहे हो कि KOL, व्हाट इज KOL?
Sir, KOL, while I was going through ASCII, I found something KOL.
रुको, क्यों, why were you going through KOL? That is my question.
No, sir, I was going through ASCII.
रुक जाओ, मत जाओ, don't go through anything. Right, so forget about these things, just understand कि when the moment you press
Sir.
A, computer will get an electronic signal which will be internally translated as in binary, which will mean 65, and computer will understand that it has to deal with this symbol. Okay, just a minute. क्लास के बाद कॉल कर रहे हैं तुमको, क्लास के बाद कॉल कर रहे हैं जहां तक हमको लग रहा है. ठीक है, फोन करते हैं. Okay, right. So yes, so can we ask computer how it takes capital A or capital B or 9 or 6 or 0? Yes, we can. Yes, using a function known as ORD. Not ORD. Yeah, ORD. ORD and CHR, ये दोनों हम लोग देखेंगे. यूजिंग फंक्शंस इंटरचेंजेबली हम लोग देख सकते हैं. ठीक है, लेट अस चेक.
Sir, we'll use this functions in CLI.
हाँ, CLI पे ही दिखाऊंगा मैं.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, if I want to ask Python, कि Python tell me what is the character, how do you see character A? You see, कोई भी कैरेक्टर तुम स्ट्रिंग के फॉर्म में दोगे, सिंगल कैरेक्टर, ORD फंक्शन के अंदर, it will tell you. Let's say if I write how do you see 9, क्या आंसर आना चाहिए?
57.
57. देख रहे हो? How do you see this at the rate 64? Oh, मतलब A से जस्ट पहले का जो सिग्नल होता है, that is for what you say is at the rate.
Blank
Okay.
space, sir.
हाँ,
Blank space.
blank space है 10 होता है. Let us see, 10 या 32. Let me see. 32, correct. Okay. Line change. Line change क्या देते हैं? Backslash n. Let us see. 10. Okay.
Sir.
हाँ.
In every language, the ASCII value is the same.
Yeah. Because
So,
the way of taking input and the signals generated, electronic signals which translates to these characters for the computers, this mechanism is a standard. इसीलिए उसे American standard code बोलते हैं. That standard code is same for all the computer architectures, all types of computers, and मतलब most types of computers. Not all, most.
Sir, do we have to remember these numbers?
I told you, no, you only have to remember 65 to 90, 97 to 122, and 48 to 57. Range याद रखो.
Sir,
Okay.
inverted commas.
Sorry?
Inverted commas. So what is the number?
Let us check. Or we can give directly also, because outer single quotes are there. 34. If you want to say single quotes, then enclose it between double quotes.
Double quote.
39. ठीक है? Rather, I'll not print everything one by one. What I will do is, I will open up a chart.
Anything we write, it's given in numbers forms.
Wait. लो देखो, you will see here 65 से तुम्हें दिखाता हूँ. देखो यहाँ पे. I'll just try to zoom it up. Can you see 65 here in decimal? We will understand the conversion from hexadecimal, octadecimal, वो सब हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. Don't worry about these things. Sir, what about a sentence? Aditya, sentence is sentence for you. For a computer, it is a flow of characters or a stream of characters. तो एप्पल लिखोगे तो उसे वो ट्रांसलेट करेगा कैपिटल में. तो 65 followed by where is P? 65, 80. L is, where is L? देखो, L is 76 and E is 69. So sentences are sentences for you. For computer, it is flow of characters one by one. That is flow of electronic signals one after the other, which translates to individual characters. Okay. Clear? देखो स्पेस का हमने देखा था 32. 10 पे हमने क्या देखा था? लाइन चेंज, न्यू लाइन फीड. Okay. Backspace is 8. Bell signal is 7. बहुत सारा है. You don't have to remember everything. How many are there? There are 128. Okay. Sir, why is it error for backward slash? Backward slash पे error आ रहा है. देखो, I don't know what is the backward slash. यहाँ है 92 है. Remember, backward slash cannot be written alone. It has to be backward slash. ऐसा कुछ होगा. Escape sequence नहीं तो समझने लगेगा उसे. Okay, because the moment you write backward slash, it means what? You are about to start escape sequence. So in order to print backward slash, you will have to write 2 times backward slash. It's escape sequence for backward slash.
Okay, sir.
Okay. ठीक है? Now tell me, can you and how many characters are there in ASCII set?
128.
128, 0 to 127. How many characters?
128.
128. So,
Sir,
how many?
First one.
First one.
First one.
First one is null string. Okay, null string अभी क्या है उस पे मत जाओ. We will see later. How many codes in ASCII chart? Answer
is this in the same unit?
Sorry?
Is this in the same unit or we have shifted to the another?
In this? थोड़ा जोर से बोलो. Yeah.
Now can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, is this in the same unit 2, or we have shifted to the another one?
No. It is in the programming only. Don't worry. I'll tell you where to use in the programming. So how many codes in ASCII? 128. 128 starting from 0 to 127. Can we write a program to print all the characters in ASCII?
Yes sir. We'll use for loop.
For loop.
For
okay,
loop.
Next question हम लोग वही देखते हैं.
0 to 128.
0 to 128. Very good. Excellent. Write a program to print ASCII code of all the characters in the chart. ओके तो उसके लिए प्रोग्राम क्या होगा? फॉर I in range 0 to 128, that means 0 to 127 it will go, and every time I will get an
start from 0, sir.
yeah, इसलिए तो 128 होगा ना, 0 to 127.
No, sir, means usually we start everything from 1.
No, len string का भी len में तो 0 से start कर रहे थे.
Yes, sir, in computer language, why it is from 0?
अब वो देखो, वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ, टेक इट एज अ फैक्ट, डोंट गो फॉर लॉजिक, क्योंकि जो द क्रिएटर्स ऑफ दिस थॉट दैट वे, उसका भी रीजन है, बट दैट वी विल कम टू नो इन द फर्स्ट यूनिट. ठीक है, व्हेन वी अंडरस्टैंड द कन्वर्जन्स फ्रॉम बाइनरी टू डेसिमल एंड डेसिमल टू बाइनरी एक्सेट्रा.
Print I.
देन प्रिंट आई, तब तो वो डायरेक्ट प्रिंट कर देगा 0 1 2 ऐसे करके.
Print character of I.
Character of.
नो,
Order.
ORD of I.
Odd I.
Okay, sir.
Curly brackets, sir.
No, it's a function. Functions are followed by parenthesis, which is nothing but round brackets. देखो ना, लिखे है ना ORD function and CHR. Okay, CHR.
Sir, what is CHR function used?
I'll tell you. It's the other way. Other way means this gave you
So,
code to character, and that will be
number
corrected
of
to code.
if you want to find the number, then we use CHR.
No. Here you are getting ORD. That means ASCII code to character.
Ulta.
That's ulta, reverse of it. That is character to ASCII code. That means, देखो इधर.
Sir, but we used ORD function to find the number.
See, in ORD function, I asked computer, hey computer, how do you perceive capital A? Okay, so it will say that I perceive it as a signal signal which for you humans will be represented as 65. Okay, if you write it in binary. But
so sir, we entered the character and we got the code.
Yeah, we entered the character. I asked you, how do you perceive the character A? So ORD takes a character and it gives you the ASCII code value, right? Now what we will do is the
Code to
reverse.
character.
We will give the code and then we will tell the computer, I am giving you an ASCII code. Tell me what will you draw or what will you understand from it? So for that we will be using CHR, and then inside we will give 65.
So sir, we'll use CHR in the program we're making now.
We'll use CHR or ORD?
CHR, sir.
See.
Because.
Correct. ठीक है? So that means you will use here CHR and not ORD. He is correct. Absolutely. Sorry. So here, because you have to convert from code to character. Okay. So these are very two powerful functions.
That's odd only, no sir.
Odd क्या करता है? तुम्हारे पास
we'll give a character, will give the ASCII value.
It takes ORD uses. If you give an integer value, it will tell you. Sorry.
It would. If
sir,
you
the
give
ORD thing is wrong.
Wrong. Wait.
Character to code.
Correct. I wrote it the other way.
Character to ASCII code.
ASCII code. Correct. And then you have another one which is CHR. This is
ASCII code to character.
ASCII code to character.
Sir, we should use ORD itself now, sir, here. Because it is from, we should find out the codes of the character.
No, we are giving ASCII code.
We are providing code, and from that it will show us one by one characters. देखो अंकित, print, tell me what will be the character of the code I every time. The first time I is 0, 1, 2, 3, like that it will come. अरे यार कौन है? Okay, leave.
So to print ASCII code of all the characters means when we give a character, it will print the ASCII code. To print the ASCII code, we use the odd function.
If you need to convert from character to ASCII code, that means देखो यहाँ पे.
Sir, this question I did not understand. Sir, ASCII code we have to print, so we'll use the odd function. Why are we using the CHR function?
Write a program to print.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But the range will be different, sir.
I'll correct the question. भी सही नहीं था. I messed it up totally. My bad.
Sir, it is CHAR or CHR?
वो भी गलत लिख दिया. I think I have not had a proper sleep today. Okay. Right. देखो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Write a program to print all the characters represented by various codes in ASCII chart. By various codes in ASCII chart. ठीक है, अब सही है. CHR and then it will be character at what is the character for code 0, code 1, code 2 till code 127. Okay.
Sir, can you execute it in command?
Sir, can you execute
Command
it, sir?
prompt पे सारा नहीं दिखेगा. I'll tell you the reason.
RAM.
नहीं,
So there are totally how many ASCII values? Like how many characters?
128.
120.
Sir, Cynthia is asking a question.
So the range should go till 129, no sir?
No, 0 to 127 it is.
Total is
मैं बता
120.
रहा हूँ कि command prompt पे you won't be seeing all the characters. Okay.
Why, sir?
Because command prompt does not understand all the ASCII characters. I'll show you in a better place जहाँ पे सारा दिख जाएगा. Wait.
Program 27.
27 है ना? Yeah. And ASCII. Okay. All the characters for ASCII chart for I in range was direct. I'll write 128. Will this work?
Yes, sir.
If you do not give anything, starting value is
0.
0. If you give only one value, that means it is always end, and the starting is always assumed to be 0. A step is always assumed to be 1. Okay. Print char at okay, and that is 1. Sorry, I. Okay. Let us execute.
Well, CHR is not highlighted. Why, sir? CHR is not highlighted.
Function कहाँ highlight होता है? देखो range highlight हुआ है.
In my PC it gets, sir.
अब तुम्हारा latest version होगा कुछ नहीं. अच्छा ID या notepad use कर रहे होगे.
This one
also,
sir.
अरे don't use your logic there. It doesn't. उसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. Python log 27. देखो it started. Almost print तो कर दिया है. हाँ, बहुत जगह नहीं किया है, अलग अलग आ गया है, पर तुम देखोगे हर कैरेक्टर के लिए. और व्हाट आई विल डू इज ना, वेट, इसको थोड़ा इंप्रूव कर देते हैं.
Sir, can we do like this? Like if we want to know which is A with it, like A equals to 65.
Which is?
Like, can we
Write a
print like
program to accept a character from the user and display its ASCII value. क्या? What do you want? देखो.
like if we are printing A, it should come like A equals to 65.
Both code and character.
Both word and character.
Code and character, sir. Like one is equal to null.
1 is equals to null. वो उसके लिए मैं करता हूँ.
0 equal to null.
Wait. तो उसके लिए तुम ये कर सकते हो. Okay. I think you want this.
Yes, sir.
Then I'll do set. Let all pair come on different lines. Yeah. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
उसके बाद ये देने की जरूरत नहीं थी. Anyways,
Sir, the equal to.
इसको रिमूव कर देंगे. Here I'll give equal to. ठीक है. Now you will, because your command prompt cannot handle all the ASCII characters. That is why it is not showing here. But if you have a good IDE, let me see if I can use it on PyCharm. Okay. Then you will see maybe all the characters. PyCharm will handle, I think.
Then why are question marks displayed?
Because that is what I am telling you. Because your command prompt of Windows is not that advanced कि वो सारा ASCII code को handle कर लेगा. Okay. Though your CPU understands, but they cannot be represented on command prompt, normal command prompts. Okay, I'll show you. It takes time to open, but if it starts, I'll show you how to.
Sir, isn't the command prompt that you are using and we are using the same, sir?
Yeah, Windows का command prompt तो हम लोग सबका same होगा. हो सकता है my Windows is latest तो थोड़ा ज़्यादा characters आ जाए, तुम्हारा थोड़ा पुराना हो तो you will get if your Windows version is a bit older, then maybe कुछ commands नहीं आए, कुछ characters. So that may slightly vary, but I don't think so any command prompt will display it exactly. Yes.
Sir, is Python Turtle a different software or is it in itself?
Python Turtle? अरे मतलब yes. ये क्या कह रहे हो? Python और Turtle do we have in logo?
So it is a different software?
Python Turtle? नहीं, I have not heard. Are you talking of IDEs?
I'll send you.
अच्छा भेजना.
Actually, I don't know what is it, sir. So I don't know how to express.
Okay. चलो ठीक है. उस पे ये तो हम लोग एग्जीक्यूशन तो देख लेंगे, पर एक सिमिलर क्वेश्चन. Write a Python program to accept a string and print all its print.
Sir, message box.
Just a minute. Print. Okay, we'll see that. रुक जाओ अभी. And print ASCII code of all its characters. कैसे करेंगे?
So range will be S.
Okay. हम लोग पहले first we will take one
take one input.
We will take S is equals to input. Input. For I in S, अब तुम range भी ले सकते हो. In that case, you will take SI. I in S and then print. What you will do? ORD SCHR.
ORD.
ORD. Why? Because you have to find ASCII code. Conversion
ASCII
has
code.
to be done to ASCII code. So ORD of
I.
Okay. Okay. अगर वो open हो गया होगा तो I'll execute and show you. Okay. Just a minute. .py and I'll copy paste it. ठीक है? Can you see my screen?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
इसमें भी नहीं support कर रहा I think. Okay, here also we are not getting. पर most of the characters शायद आ जाएगा देखो. Here also we are not getting everything. I think इसके लिए कुछ हम लोगों को last year I downloaded something. कुछ update download करना पड़ता. I'll show you that. Here it will work. One update is missing. I understand that. That's the reason it is not coming up. Okay. फिर तुम्हारा next program है मान लो.
So what is that process finished with exit code 0?
That means exit code 0 means program executed without any error. 0 is a code symbolizing no error. ठीक है नहीं चलो ये वाला बताओ कि did you understand this thing what we did here we are asking for characters from the user अगर user hello देता है
Sir, in that input part, string you should enter, sir.
Input always takes everything as string.
Input is always string.
Sir.
Sir,
can we find this one, sir? Can we execute this one?
Which one?
The current one.
Second one.
ORD.
S is equals to input. Okay, and then you have for I in S. Okay. देख रहे हो ये इक्वेशन खुद ना print ORD I. It is asking me to give a value. देखो H will be 104. 97 से count करना शुरू करो small h.
Sir, will you give one capital also?
चलो.
It will just go to the next line, sir, like that.
Go to the next line meaning देखो मैं डाल देता हूँ. A, B, C. क्या आएगा?
65.
66, 67.
65.
No, sir.
No, sir. The
B and C
smaller
start
part.
from 90s.
65, 98,
65, 98, 99.
65,
99.
98, 99. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
ये बताओ यहाँ तक क्लियर है सबको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, what is Ricky Ven scripts?
अरे leave it. वो
Computer's
कुछ
name.
naming है, कुछ फाइल है. That is got nothing to do with programming. वो ये IDE है, one of the good IDEs.
Location.
Location है, that is the location of the file. Okay. वहाँ पे ऊपर प्रोग्राम लिखो, नीचे आउटपुट आ जाएगा.
Sir,
Right.
can we start using PyCharm?
I will suggest you start using Thonny.
Sorry?
Thonny,
Which, sir?
Thonny.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, one thing. एक program, I will stop here. One program you try. कल try करके आना. Write a program to accept a string in lowercase and print it back in uppercase. कर सकते हैं क्या? I'll give you a hint.
So we'll minus the capital and small I. That is.
Wait. Difference between uppercase and lowercase of a character is always 32.
Sir, we'll
What?
use a counter.
Now, एक चीज बताओ कि what is the ASCII code of capital A?
65.
65.
What is small a का?
97.
97.
So what is the difference? 32.
32.
B के लिए भी 32 का difference होगा. C के लिए भी 32 का
Yes,
difference
sir.
होगा. Z is 90, small capital Z is 90, small z is 122. 32 का difference है. Okay. Just I'll give you a hint. तो मान लो कि अगर तुम्हारा H है A में, उसको capital H बदलना है, तो what will you do? You will
Code
first
minus
find,
32.
Minus
you will
32.
first find the code of it. What
Yes,
is
sir.
the code of it?
CHR of A.
CHR of A will give you the code. Okay, नहीं, ये code नहीं देगा ना. देखो, कोड कन्वर्ट करने के लिए क्या करते हैं? अच्छा, करेक्ट है, करेक्ट. ORD gives ASCII code to character. ठीक है, सॉरी, CHR gives ASCII code to character. हमें क्या करना है? उल्लास, देखो, कैरेक्टर को we have to change to ASCII code. तो ORD यूज करेंगे इसमें. तुम्हारा वो CHR नहीं यूज होगा.
Yes,
So
sir.
what will write? ORD of A. This will give you whatever is the number of this. Now tell me, इसको कैपिटल में बदलने के लिए do you need to add 32 or
Minus.
Minus.
Minus 32.
minus 32? Minus 32 करेंगे तो you will get the ASCII code of the capital letter of the same character. ठीक है? Upper case of the same character. Okay.
Print
And then
CHR.
then you convert to CHR.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? इसको
Sir-
प्रिंट कर दो.
Sir, is it under A or with it only?
What?
Like second line
Indented.
is after tab space or
अरे वो तो मैं रफ में लिख रहा हूँ. It will all be in same line.
okay, sir. Okay.
ठीक है? This is the rough work. I'm just giving you a hint. अच्छा ये बताओ
sir, with this can we print a string also?
हाँ ठीक
Okay,
है,
sir.
वो कल ट्राई करो, थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाने की कोशिश करो. We
Okay,
will
sir.
discuss the answer. So fine, this thing ORD and CHR and the concept of ASCII, बताओ क्लियर है कि नहीं सबको, या I need to take it once again? Even the girls can tell me.
So it's clear.
Clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Yes, Nanika?
Yes, sir.
Clear है, okay. Pooja and Ruchika as well?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. देखो, because you people are generally quiet, so I don't know कि what extent आ रहा है समझ में या नहीं. I'm pretty sure you are understanding it. पर if you think कि you are not understanding, then please hold me. Okay, बताना मुझे. Okay. पृथ्वीराज is telling, अच्छा चलो क्लास ओवर हो गया है. I'll just clear doubt. आज बहुत पढ़ा हम लोगों ने. Okay, you can start using Thorny. Okay. Prithviraj is asking some doubt. I'll just handle it. Sir, can we use Jupyter Notebook or Anaconda? No, एकदम नहीं.